Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Get rid of that dull drooping belly with this very effective natural drink. Belly fat is a common issue, even for people who have flat abs. Moreover, as we get older, it gets harder to stay in shape and keep the belly toned. However, too much belly fat can be detrimental to the health. Some of the fat is right under the skin, and other is deep inside, around your heart, lungs, liver, and other organs. The latter type is more dangerous and it is known as visceral fat. Visceral fat is the most dangerous form of fat in the body, due to the fact that it is close to our vital organs. Hence, the organs use it as a source of energy. However, this type of fat also releases chemicals which can be harmful and can lead to diabetes, strokes, cancer, osteoporosis, and metabolic imbalances. It is located beneath the abdominal muscles and the subcutaneous layer of fat. Therefore, it is difficult to eliminate it no matter how hard you try. There are many steps and habits which you should undertake in order to eliminate the stubborn belly fat. Hence, you should avoid eating fast food, get proper sleep, do regular physical exercise, practice yoga, and enhance your diet with dietary fiber, vinegar, beans, almonds, polyunsaturated fats, cucumbers, avocados, and green tea. Moreover, there is a natural drink, which will speed up this process and detox your body. It is made of all natural ingredients and it will provide amazing results in only 10 days. Hence, you should give it a try. Amazing drink for flatter stomach. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 5 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/2–1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1/2–1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of stevia. Instructions: first, boil the water. When it boils, remove it from heat and let it cool for 5 minutes. Then, put all the ingredients in a jug and pour the water over them. Finally, mix it well. Consume it during the day and after 10 days, you will notice the first results.